This is the OWrap. I am Davina. Here are the stories making headlines today. Police are now seeking the boyfriend of an 18-year-old mother in relation to her shooting death on Sunday in Denham Town. Cops named Eric Murdoch, otherwise called Brando, who shares a 2-month-old baby with the victim, as a person of interest. His uncle, Tevin Cross, is also being sought by the police in relation to the incident. Reports are that Devonese Nelson was at home with her baby when she was attacked, shot, and killed. A police military team reportedly found her body laying on its side in a pool of blood. She was taken to the Kingston Public Hospital, where she was confirmed dead. On the crime scene, police are now probing a suspected case of suicide involving a St. Elizabeth farmer on Sunday. The deceased has been identified as 37-year-old Desiree Newell, a resident of Chocolate Hole District in the parish. A police report said Newell was last seen alive about 12:40 p.m. on Sunday, but was later found hanging from a tree about 5:30 p.m. by a relative. Newell was later pronounced dead at hospital. Meanwhile, police have identified a foreign national whose body was found in Chudley, Manchester on Sunday morning. He is 50-year-old Kenyatta Harris, a resident of New Jersey in the United States, and West Green Crescent in St. James. Reports are that the man's body was found on a roadway with a wound to the head. The police are now awaiting the outcome of an autopsy report to determine the cause of death. In other news, the Meteorological Service of Jamaica says a tropical wave moving over the Atlantic Ocean could develop into a tropical depression in the next few days and enter the Caribbean. According to the Met Service, the system could enter the southeastern Caribbean by midweek and increase the chances of rain for Jamaica going into the weekend. An update from the National Hurricane Center said the tropical wave is currently producing a large area of showers and thunderstorms. The center added that tropical storm watches or warnings for portions of the Windward Islands and along the northeastern coast of Venezuela could be issued as early as this evening. In the meantime, the Met Service said it will continue to monitor the system.
Shericka Jackson gets it as they turn into a home stretch. Shericka Jackson with the advantage. In comes the leader of the Eastern West. She is first for President West. Shericka Jackson going to open the game. Shericka Jackson is looking hard. Look at the time.
Shericka Jackson ran a personal best of 21.55 seconds to book her spot on the national team for the World Championships and win the 200-meter event on Sunday at the Jamaica National Senior and Junior Athletics Championships. The time was the third fastest in history, bettered only by Florence Griffith Joyner's world record, 21.34 seconds, set in 1988, and Elaine Thompson-Herah's national record, 21.53 seconds, set last year at the Olympic Games. Jackson was followed by Olympic champion Elaine Thompson-Herah, who was second in 22.05 seconds, and Shelley-Ann Fraser-Price, third in 22.14. Jackson, who completed the sprint double, has now won national senior titles in 3 events: 100 meters, 200 meters, and 400 meters. This has been the OWrap. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Davina.